guys, how you doing? It's Daredevil here, and you might be saying, what is this in my hand? Well, for all of you older people out there on YouTube, you guys might know what this is. This is actually defying the law of balance, because nothing should be able to balance like that, especially on a fingertip. But look at that. You guys can see bouncing by just the beak. This thing can balance on anything. Watch. On the corner of this. This is what you call true balance. Get some good angles of that. Look at that. Look at that stuff. Just by the beak. Now let's look at it. Look at that. It's just carefully balancing on its beak. And here's another example. Even better. Just a little cap. And even better, you can do it. If you can do it just right. You may be able to get it to stay. Well, guys, that is pretty impressive, but it's also by the weight. Because most of the weight, you could have it like this, but most of the weight will be the secret that you have to find out. And goodbye. Whoa, now look at that shadow. Alright guys, I guess it is time to end the video.